Welcome to this video guide on verifying electrical earthing in your home. We will walk you through a step-by-step diagnostic journey to ensure your electrical systems are safely grounded, covering everything from your wall sockets to the earth pit. Earthing is an essential safety mechanism. It acts as an invisible shield by transferring dangerous electrical discharges from your home systems directly into the ground through low-resistance wires, preventing electrical faults from harming you or your home. The stakes are high. Without proper grounding, unchecked electrical faults can lead to human electrocution, destructive property fires, and the total loss of sensitive, high-value home electronics due to power surges. We follow a 4-level verification hierarchy. Homeowners can safely perform the first 3 levels to identify faults. However, Level 4 requires a certified professional to guarantee that your system is fully compliant and effective. Level 1 is a physical inspection. Check your earth pit for damaged clamps, frayed or corroded copper wires, and rust on the metal rod. Also, ensure the soil is not bone dry, as moist soil is required to effectively dissipate electrical current. Before testing, understand your socket anatomy. You have the earth or ground connection at the top, the neutral path on the left, and the live phase wire on the right, which brings active current into your home. For Level 2, the test lamp method, first establish a baseline by connecting a bulb to the phase and neutral ports. Then, test the earth by connecting the bulb to the phase and earth. Identical brightness confirms good earthing. Level 3 involves using a multimeter. Set your dial to measure AC voltage and insert the probes into their respective ports. Always remember to use insulated leads and hold them by the handles to prevent any risk of severe shock. Using your multimeter, measure the voltage between phase and neutral to establish your baseline. Then, move the black probe to the earth port. The reading should be very close to your baseline. A 0 or significantly lower reading indicates a failure. You can also perform a leakage check by testing between neutral and earth. A reading below 2 volts is generally safe, while anything over 5 volts indicates a problem with your earthing or a compromised neutral wire. This diagnostic matrix summarizes the methods we have discussed. While visual inspections carry 0 risk, using a test lamp or multimeter involves dealing with live electricity, so always exercise extreme caution during your testing. It is important to understand the limits of DIY testing. Your multimeter measures voltage at the socket, confirming connectivity, but it cannot measure the true resistance at the earth pit. Only professional-grade equipment can provide that data. When considering resistance, standards like the IEEE recommend 5 ohms or less for sensitive electronics. The NEC generally sets a limit of 25 ohms for ground systems. Lowering resistance is best achieved by increasing the depth of the electrode. Professional testing methods include stakeless testing, selective testing, and the fall of potential test, which is the most common diagnostic for measuring the effectiveness of a ground system. Finally, know when to call the experts. If your tests show significant voltage leakage, damaged hardware, or if your soil conditions are poor, contact a certified electrician immediately to address the issue and keep your home safe.